In this tutorial, I will show you how to export your entire Premiere Pro project file so that you can open it in an older version of Premiere Pro, as well as turning it into your professor on D2L. So let's begin. We see here we have our sequences bin, our project is in process, right? Inside our clips, we have all our clips, everything is named, right? Everything is numbered. So we see here, because we're going to export this and then reopen it so that you can see everything gets translated correctly. So now that we're ready, we just make sure we click on the tab here. This is very important to click on this tab before we start anything, because otherwise you might export just one small part of your project and not the entire thing. So click on the tab, very important, File, Export, Final Cut Pro XML. Click on that, it gives us a window. We want to save as Pijatala, first initial, last name, film 1, rough cut. That's good because this is our rough cut that we wish to export, and we hit save. It exports. We just give it a minute. There it goes. This window always pops up. Do not worry about it. Hit OK. Okay, so now that we've exported it, that was rather quick, we're going to test this so that we can see if it actually exported correctly. So let's go ahead and close this project. Okay, and we're going to open and create a new project. So I'm going to choose New Project, and I'm going to call this File Import Test, right? Because we're just testing right now. So hit OK. There we go. And now we're just going to go to File, Import, and we're going to choose the XML. There it is. Pijatala Film 1 Rough Cut XML. Import. All right, there it is. And if we look at it, in here are all our sequences like we saw before. Our media. Notice that it skipped 02 subclips because there are no subclips here in this project. So since the folder was empty, it just did not include it. But here's everything named, everything described, everything is correctly taken care of when you export this. So there, very easy. This is how you should turn in your projects. And it's always a good idea to export your project as an XML just in case you may have to open it on an older computer or an older version of Premiere Pro.